Hi, my friends. I'm glad you're back. Today, I thought since spring is here and it's beautiful outside, I thought maybe we can read a book called First Animal Facts Garden. These are hedgehogs. Hedgehogs are covered in spines. Hedgehog sleeps in leaves. Hedgehogs eat beetles. A baby hedgehog is called a hoglet. These are rabbits. Rabbits have large families. Rabbit sleeps in burrows. Rabbits love to eat carrots. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. This is a bird. Birds love to sing. Birds sleeps in nests. Birds eat worms. Baby birds are called chicks. This is a squirrel. Squirrels have bushy tails. Squirrels live in trees. Squirrels eat nuts. A baby squirrel is called a kitten. This is a turtle. Turtles live in their shells. Turtle sleeps in holes in old trees. Turtles eat plants and vegetables. A baby turtle is called a hatchling. These are butterflies. Butterflies have beautiful wings. Butterflies sleep under leaves. Butterflies drink nectar. A baby butterfly is called a caterpillar. These are bees. Bees live in a hive. Bees make honey. Bees eat nectar. Baby bees have two sets of wings. These are spiders. Spiders have 8 hairy legs. Spiders live on webs. Spiders eat flies. Baby spiders are called spiderlings. This is a frog. Frogs love to leap. Frogs live in ponds. Frogs eat bugs. Baby frogs are called tadpoles. These are ladybugs. Ladybugs have spots on their back. Ladybugs live on leaves. Ladybugs eat pollen. A baby ladybug is called a larva. That is the end of our book. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new about each different animals. Have a great day. Thank you for being here.